You put a lot of efforts and create the best video. But after uploading to YouTube, you see that you're getting very few views, which is really frustrating, right? Does that mean that your channel is dead? In this video, I'm going to tell you two ways how to identify if your channel is dead and two important ways on how exactly you can get more views even on the dead channel. So let's get started and welcome to Sriram Benur channel. Now first let me tell you that this happens with each and every creator, each and every YouTuber. It has happened with me where one of my channel was completely dead. Now I have been able to get the views on that. So you can certainly scale up your channel as well. So don't worry on that. Now first let's understand how do we know if the channel is dead. Now say for example you have good number of subscribers but you are getting very less views. To give you an example, say for example you have around 1000 subscribers but you end up getting around 10-20 views. Now that could be a small example, right? In the same way you can consider for other number of subscribers as well. Now why do these channels go dead, right? So here is something, two most important reasons. Now first is there might be some point in your YouTube journey where you are not really active. Maybe like, okay, you took a break for maybe 1 month, 2 months or a year or more than 2 years. In fact, I have taken a break for almost 5 years on my channel. That means it was completely dead, right? Now, if there was a long gap that you had given for your channel, then that could be one of the reasons why your subscribers were not active. Now, for you to help you understand in a better way, say for example, you're a person who is going to a particular vegetable shop every week and getting the vegetables there, okay? Now, say for example, suddenly the vegetable shop is closed. You go to the shop again next week, you see that it's closed. You again go after 2 weeks, again you see that it's closed. Now after that you feel that okay, anyway this shop is always closed, let me find a different store, right? You start going to a different vegetable shop, correct? Now say for example after 2-3 months the old vegetable shop is opened again. Will you go back to the old vegetable shop? No, not really, right? Or very few people may go back to that. Why? Because you would have already found a different vegetable shop and you're more connected to that. Now that's what actually happens with our YouTube subscribers as well. If you are not active for a longer time, your subscribers become inactive and they are connected to other YouTube channels. So even if you post videos, they might not come back and watch your videos. So that's the first reason why it might happen that though you have huge number of subscribers, because of you being inactive for a longer time, your subscribers are also inactive and they are not watching the videos. That's the first reason. Now second reason is, say for example you have been creating a particular type of content. Now you got a major chunk of subscribers for a particular video or something like that. Say for example in your channel, maybe 2 videos got really viral or 1 video got really viral. Now that is something that got you more number of subscribers. Now after that you started creating different type of content. The subscribers who subscribe for your channel for a particular type of content, they are seeing different content and they are not connected right now. To give a small example, say for example if I am creating videos on fitness, okay, how to stay fit. Now I created a video on how to lose weight, example, right? Now how to lose weight, say for example it got massive views. So major number of subscribers came from how to lose weight. Now after that, say for example I created a video on how to stay fit, okay, how to get rid of back pain or maybe how to gain weight. When I create other videos, though in the fitness niche but not related to the weight loss, the people who subscribe for weight loss do not connect to the other videos, because of which even when you upload the other videos, they are not interested and they are not going to watch your videos, right? Now just to summarize, two reasons for channel not being active is, one is you are not consistent in uploading the videos. Second is your content is not interesting your audience. Now let's understand how exactly you can regain your subscribers' confidence. Now let's understand two important strategies that can help you to get more views when you create new videos. Okay, so let's understand how exactly to get the right content ideas. Now to do that, first thing that you need to do is go to your YouTube channel, okay, go to your video section, click on sort by and click on most popular. Understand the most popular videos in your channel, okay? Now say for example if I go to my A to Z construction channel, so step by step construction has got around 46 lakh views, 27 lakh views. Again it's step by step construction, right? So how to make TV unit, which has got around 15 lakh views, right? So if you see here, the complete construction videos that I have put across, they have got the massive views. So if I focus on creating these videos again it is going to get massive views, right? So let me give a small example here, okay? You see this video, right? Again, so this video was posted 2 years back and this video was posted 1 year back. Even though both are similar content, it has still got around 8 lakh views. Why? Because when somebody is connected to this kind of content, if I create more of that kind of content, certainly audience are going to watch. So you check in your channel, what are the kind of videos that have got the highest views? Okay. Make a note of that particular topic that you have created. Okay. Create more of those kind of videos. Because you got subscribers for that particular topic, you are certainly going to get more views on that as well. Okay. So that's the first thing that you need to do. Once you do that, I'm going to tell you the second strategy right now. Now, second most important thing is you creating trending videos in your niche so that it can help you to get great views. So how to identify trending topic in your niche? So one quick thing that you can do is, now say for example, I'm going to create videos on weight loss. Now that's my niche. What I can quickly do is I'm going to search as how to lose weight fast, right? The moment I search this, you see a lot of results here, right? So we have many channels that are shown here. Now say for example, this and this channel is something related to me. Okay. So I'm going to go to their channel, go to video section and again click by sort by most popular. Okay. Do the same thing on other channel as well. Go to video section, sort by most popular. So you see here all the videos that have got massive views in this particular niche, right? So this is a great way for you to identify those topics and create videos as well. Okay. So you can consider this. Again, see the other channel, you can identify the topic they have created and see which are the ones that are related and you can certainly create that. Now the other thing that you can do is, and the other thing that you could do is, in the channel, click on sort by date added newest and see among all the recent videos, which is the video which has got highest views. Now see here, intermittent fasting weight loss, right? This has got around 2.6 lakh views, which is above average compared to other videos. Now probably this could be a better content idea, right? Again, you could see here, high protein salad for weight loss, 1.9 lakh views, which is above average compared to other videos. So that's how you can identify which is the video which has got highest views in the recent time in the other channel. Pick up the topic and you can create video on that as well. Okay. Now let me tell you the second way of identifying a trending topic. Okay. Now say for example, I just searched as how to lose weight fast. So you have an option called as filter. Just click on filter. Click on this month. Okay. Again, click on filter and click on view count. So if you see here, it is going to show you all the videos that have got massive views in the recent time. Okay. How to lose weight fast. It's around 1.3 crore views. That's a shorts, right? So exercise to lose belly fat, 13 lakh views, right? So in that way, again, a 30 minutes daily belly fat burn workout, correct? So when you search on a particular keyword, you will get to know the kind of videos that have got massive views. On that particular topic, you can certainly create videos as well. Okay. So this is how you can identify which are the trending videos in the last 30 days as well. 30 days, last 7 days. You can certainly apply the filter the way you want and you can get content ideas as well. So that's how you can create trending videos in your channel so that it gets more views as well. Now, this comes to the one more important thing that I want to say. We always feel that, okay, our content is best, right? We have put the best effort. Now we can confirm only that with the help of two metrics. One is click-through rate, how often people are clicking on your thumbnail and considering your title. That's the first thing. Second is audience retention. If they both are not good, if the click-through rate is not good and if the audience retention is not good, no matter what you do, the channel is not going to scale up. Either you create trending video or non-trending video or whatever it could be. They both have to be great. Now, if you want to understand more about the channel analytics, then just click on this link to understand more about CTR, audience retention, everything. Okay. See, that's how you can start getting views even on a dead channel as well. So I wish you all the very best so that your content reaches a lot of people as well. Now, during this entire process, it's completely okay for you to create a second channel as well. When you create a second channel, start doing it in the right way and do it consistent so that you can grow faster as well. Okay. And here is a complete playlist on how you can grow with YouTube. So please do watch that. There are a lot of videos which can certainly help you. And if you like this video and if it was informative, then please do consider subscribing. If you want to attend my free YouTube Masterclass, there is a link below in the video description. Thanks for watching. Take good care and see you in the next video.